Do you know that DNS, also known as Domain Name System, is one of the most important parts of the Internet? Believe it or not, it is often overlooked. Without DNS, the Internet as we know of today would collapse. So what is DNS? DNS is a translator that maps IP addresses to domain names that you and I are familiar with. Just like your home address that identifies your home's location with street and city name, websites have their own address too. The only difference is that the address of a website is in numbers, known as IP address, like 198.23.2.156. So how does this affect your internet experience? Imagine a world without DNS. Everyone would have to type in IP addresses in order to get to the domain that they want to access to. In summary, DNS is like your address book for the internet. However, with the present internet, there are known issues of cybersecurity. Between the years 2013 to 2014, over 3 billion user accounts have been breached. That is half of the world population. Even the USA's National Security Agency, NSA, Yahoo, and several global companies using IP-based internet has been affected. So why do we still use the current IP internet and DNS? The reason is that we have no choice. There are no other alternatives today. But what if there is a new global network that does not use IP addresses, an alternative internet that works natively on telephony system, Internet 2.0? We at IncepXion are working on a telephony-based DNS, where domain names are mapped to telephone numbers instead of IP addresses for Internet 2.0. How Internet 2.0 and telephony-based DNS works? They use the telephone system for connectivity. Ever wondered why when you make an online bank transaction, your TAC or OTP code are always sent to your phone via SMS instead of the internet? This is because the message to your phone is private and only you can view it, unlike today's IP-based internet. Now just imagine it on a bigger scale. Instead of only your SMS messages, all of your other information is safely delivered via Internet 2.0. Internet 2.0 operating with telephony-based DNS provides accountability which the current DNS platform failed to provide. Using telephone numbers with Internet 2.0 and telephony-based DNS, we have the ability to trace the actual owner of the websites and users. So everyone will be accountable for their online actions, as we can associate them to their phone numbers. I'm sure you are all worried about hackers hacking into your system and getting your private information. Do you think the hackers would still hack a system which will immediately deny them unauthorized access and able to reliably identify them? Are you able to identify your friend using IP address or their phone number? I believe it will be their phone number. That is how we will prevent hacking and security breaches through Internet 2.0 and telephony-based DNS. To sum it all up, Internet today is vulnerable and insecure. Internet 2.0 works natively on telephone systems as it is using the telephone system for data delivery routing. Thus, we require telephone-based DNS for a secure Internet 2.0. Let's hop onto this revolutionary project and create a safer and better Internet.